Hi, this video is the RF hair transplant restoration surgery result 1 year post-op with before and after photo. We're using the FUE method, and thank you, Doug, for allowing me to show the audience what he looked like now, and I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before. And so that's where Doug was, and it completely transformed his face. We recreate the hairline. And hair transplant, again, not just the surgical skill, the surgical skill will give you density, but the artistic and aesthetic detail to really change an individual facial structure. And it's a lower set of hairline, it frames the face better, and this is a year later, before and after. Right hand side, left top view, top view. That's before, that's after, before, after, and before. Okay, now I'm gonna focus on, there we go. So Doug, if you can, look to the left for me, perfect. Look to the other side, look straight at me, again look down, perfect, look straight up. And I'm going to do a little comb through just to show the audience. Turn the other side. Okay, I look straight. Doug can look down again and look straight at me. Perfect.